Hello everyone, Kurtis here. I'm a Taiwanese cardist. In this video, I'm going to teach you a little flourish called Falling Prince. And as you can tell from the name, this card flourish is inspired by Oliver's Prince Charming and Gary's Falling Angel. So without further ado, let's get into this.
First, grab the deck in dealer's grip. Then, place your thumb on the upper left corner of the deck and slide the first card slightly to the side so it is separated from the rest of the deck like so. Then, position your thumb such that it is to the left of this corner of the deck. Then tilt your hand forward, and this will allow the top card to swing forward with the help of gravity. Once the card reaches this position, turn your wrist to flip your hand upwards and release your thumb at the same time. This will cause the card to rotate forward. Then you want to quickly bring your hand forward and around the falling card till your hand is directly below the card. Time your hand movement such that the card flips 360 degrees before falling back onto your hand. So here we have 3 tips to help you practice this move. The first is to use a relatively new deck. This way it will be easier to slide off the top card. The second is to do the move indoors, or at least where there is little to no wind. Because the card is spinning on a horizontal axis, even the slightest wind could affect it. And the last tip is that when you do the move, after you let go of the single card, make sure to quickly move your hand around the card, and you want to position your hand slightly inwards, closer to your body when you catch it. Because the single card will fall in that direction, it will move slightly towards your body.
Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy doing this move. If you are interested in my stuff, you can find out more on Instagram, Lotus in Hand. See you!